Hey, yup lads and lasses, how's the doing? Hypod here, and I'm back, yes, back with another video. In this video, replaces another one I did a while ago, and like, I ate that one. I got hungry and I ate it. And then I realised my viewers ain't got up to watch, so I'm making another one to do with food. Oh my god, it's an Oreo! I haven't done these for a while. These are new. Birthday party, there you go, here's a handuku.
There we go. Yeah, it's done. Now it's unfocused on you now. There we go.
I do not know what to expect with these. I'm in a location that's on the planet.
Have a look on the back.
Within
It might
the
tell
country.
you what it is.
No, I don't want to ruin it.
That's true.
So yeah, I ain't got milk, so I'm just gonna have to do a dry taste test. But, yeah. Anyway, I'm in a location that's within a city. That's based in a county, a nice county. Probably one of the best ones going. I didn't say that. You said it. What? And that county is within a country that's sitting on an island with some blue stuff around it on a globe in space. Do you know where I am? I'll shut up.
People will be like, what
Hey.
are you on about?
Hey!
Let's have a little whiff of that.
It's really dark. Okay, so this one's already open. So that will make it easier to... It's breaking up. Breaking up when you... Why? I don't know!
Oh no!
I haven't had hype tubes. I don't know what's wrong with me.
It's had
Nothing.
a litre of Pepsi or Cola. That's all he has. And it's...
Yeah, it's that, essentially. Weird handuku. Hand, stop checking. I think I'm on a nerve.
Come on, focus. Focus!
What?
Right, I think that'll be alright.
It's like cream from like double stuff and all names went out of my head.
Yeah.
But it has stuff that's like what you get in party rings, so happy birthday to whoever's birthday it is.
Hey, do you know?
Birthday party, yeah.
Do you know the birthday you can have
Yeah.
give him one? I don't know.
I'll stop stalling.
Pretty good. Does it taste like the original? The only original?
I'm disappointed.
Oh god.
There's nothing special about that.
So it's the original
It's
then.
basically like a normal Oreo with the cream filling. You can kind of taste the bits of, I don't know what it is, the coloured stuff. But it's the biscuit and the cream, like them two outweigh the flavours of the other shits. I don't know what it is. What is it? Caramel flavour for it. This does not taste of caramel. And coloured sprinkles. There we go. That's the word.
Yeah.
But the biscuit and the filling has more flavour than the sprinkles. You can only taste them a little bit. So this is just essentially a normal Oreo. That breaks like wool.
It's probably different then. It breaks like it just likes breaking and just properly. I don't know.
Nah, nothing exciting.
Yeah.
50p in Morrison's.
It's not wrong.
I'm like, new Oreo flavour. I'm having that.
Yeah, new. Oh. I just think they're just...
Get them if you want to try them, but
You know what they've
honestly,
done?
there's nothing that different.
Do you know what they've done? I think they've just changed the name to birthday party. That's it.
Probably.
That's the only difference there is. That's the only new thing there is.
You can slightly taste the sprinkles.
So,
Anyway, and I'm going to see if this is the best chocolate yet. I saw it, I grabbed it. I wasn't going to do a video, but I have it here, so I want to know what makes it the best.
Did it actually say the best?
That's pretty bold for Morrison saying.
Oh, the best. Oh, right, yeah.
That's a bold statement.
I'll focus straight away.
Good.
There we go. And it unfocused on you, bro.
It's that fancy wrapping. So yeah, that's a bold statement coming from them. So I'm going to be the judge of this. Is this in chunks or... Never mind.
I think it's in bars.
It's already like broke.
You love...
it would be in chunks though.
You love breaking your chocolate.
I didn't do it. As Shaggy once said.
We can't have it now, it's broke.
Yeah, I'm going to have to take it back, it's broke. Nothing special. Chocolate. You've seen chocolate before. If you haven't, where have you been?
Hello.
Yes, that's the same bit of chocolate that I've just eaten.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's inside of it there. It's nothing.
No.
It's milk chocolate only.
Give me a galaxy. It's nice. But give me a galaxy over that. Or Thornton's.
Thornton.
Morrison's? No. It's not the best. I'm here to put you guys down. It really is not the best. But it is good, so I'll give you that. It's fair trade. Yeah, quick video. Stay tuned, I have other vlogs coming. It's all getting uploaded. Whenever this gets uploaded, probably sometime soon. There's a vlog from Clip Stephen coming, there's a vlog from South Yorkshire and Chesterfield coming. There's 2 theme park vlogs, not 1, 2 theme park vlogs, so you're treated to that. Yeah, I think that's it off the top of my head. Yeah.
Did you vlog when we went to Chesterfield?
Yeah, that's myself.
Oh, that's
Chesterfield.
Oh, right, yeah.
Stuff. That's that. That I think's about ready. So that might be on. That's probably already on before you guys get. I don't know. Just look around the channels. Stuff will be there eventually and be posted in time. That's why you hit the subscribe button and the little bell on the channel so you know when these are uploaded. So without me rambling too much, I'll see you guys in the next video. Check out shit's in the description, Patreon, all that stuff. iPad out.